Hi guys, now today I decided to do a video on this Vex Robotics Switch Grip. So let's see what this is. So it shoots up to 6 feet, 11 balls included, and it's pump action right there. And it has an extended mag version which holds more ammo. And so let's get into this. Okay guys, so now let's see what's in here. Got a bag full of pieces. Here's a bag full of the balls. And got some more small pieces, and here's the instruction booklet. Okay, so now I think I'll get building this thing. Hi guys, now I'm done building this, so it's quite cool. It says it can shoot up to 6 meters, but I am about to put that to the test. Now, it can hold 7 balls in this mode. There's another building way where it can store 11 balls. You can take this off and put it at the top, and you can just make it look like a bow, I guess. That's what it looks like. So now let's test it out. Hi guys, so now I got this out here, and let's see how far the bolts can go. Yeah, that fly. Yeah, so that flies pretty far. I guess I could try another way. Wait, cut that. Don't use this. Stop.